Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. So if you want to see how we turn this village girl to madam of the house, then keep on watching. Today we went for grey because why not? We might as well do something different, and I chose grey because I know I've done grey before when I was at uni and it kind of suited me, so I went for it again. So we're going to be doing the passion twist. At this point I had done half my hair and I had forgotten that I didn't show you guys the products, but we move. Okay, so first of all, my edges is gone. I know postpartum is eating up my hair. When I say eating up, the thing is eating up my hair, but what can we do? We move. I started the hair with 3 strands, but I realized that the 3 strands was too thick for me. I didn't want it that thick, so I then went down to 2.5 for each braid. I haven't done this hair before, but it was okay. It was pretty easy. I started with box braids, and then I'll then go in with the twist. I would obviously use the gel wax to smoothen out the hair as I move. So guys, I did this. Yeah, obviously you can see my clothes in the background, but let's ignore that. Focus on the hair, focus on the hair. Okay, so with this twist, it was pretty long. I would say the twist is about 30 inch on me. I am 5'5". I know I'm not tall, but hey ho. Yeah, so let's keep on watching. I don't know what to say now. I'm just rambling on. We're basically doing hair today. So at this point I was going for mommy water look. So yeah, and I started doing some small design in my hair. I don't know who I thought I was. I was trying to do the triangle shape at the front of my hair. So at the side I just started doing the design there. It was a little bit tricky because obviously you're doing this hair on yourself. I think it would obviously be easier when somebody's doing it for you, but quarantine is saying we all have to be our own hairdresser, so I stood up to the challenge. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit closer how I do the hair. As you can see, I started with the braid. I think I did like 3 braiding, and then I went into twist. And because I'm doing this hair on my head and I don't want to be going to bed with headache, I didn't hold the hair too tight. That's how I wanted it. And my hair is pretty long enough for the tension of the hair. And can I tell you guys, this hair is so light. Like, although I use 7.5 packs, the hair is really light. It was not heavy. Even when I put the hair in a bun, you can feel a little bit of weight, but compared to what I used to do, this hair is not heavy at all, and it's really nice. And I love the curl in this hair. Progress you just saw was the progress of 4 hours of literally doing my hair. I had to stop halfway because I had to go pick up my daughter from nursery. I was off this day, so yeah. Anyway, after putting her to bed, I came to continue, and at this point we had to use our ring light because it was night time. And yeah, so this is the progress that we have. And honestly, I really don't know who I am doing this design in my hair, because my hair is still going through postpartum. Some of it is short and some of it is long. I feel to just honestly cut my hair and start all over again. I don't know what to do yet, But yeah, so hence why you see that it's quite difficult for me to part my hair, because majority is short and some is long, and it's almost as if someone has taken scissors and cut through my hair. That celebration I did, like that's so embarrassing. Oh gosh. But yo, like I think I did pretty well. Do I look like somebody's madam or not? Makeups or no makeups? Look at that. You can't see it. Oh, you dear, wait. Oh, I said wait lah. Let me just go and put some makeups. Oh dear, wait lah. Wait, I'm coming. Can we appreciate this beautiful girl on your screen? This hair went all the way down my ass. I wanted that mommy water looking kind of feel in the passion twist, and that's exactly what I did. Can we appreciate this color on my skin? Oh, like, nah, you can't talk to me. Okay, you can, but you can't. Okay, you can now, but you can't. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, and if you have suggestions, leave it down below. Jesus.